Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Right now I'm going to show you how to go from 3 passes down to 2 and save a little time with your shave. You can just follow along. With the grain, first pass, cut the sideburn straight down. All the way down the neckline. Left side. Cut the sideburn straight down with the grain. Down the neck. Rinse that off. Get all the stubble off the razor. Mustache. Rinse the razor, rinse your face. Just a slight rinse because you're going to re-lather again right away. Lather up again. Clear those runways. Grab your razor against the grain on the neck. Double taps. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Across the grain. Backhand. Clean up, buff your areas of resistance right here, if you have any. Quick buffing, across the grain. There you go. Under 5 minutes, no problem. Rinse off, hot water then cold. Wet your wide stick alum block under cold water. Glide that around. Let it sit for 15-20 seconds and rinse that off. Pat the face dry. Apply some aftershave balm. Under 5 minutes, no problem. And you're ready to conquer the world. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.